Here I have Nokia 5710XA, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly you should go to menu, then go to settings, then go to power saving mode, so it's like the last setting here, and here you can enable it. Okay, it was enabled already. But yeah, so here you can switch it just like this. You can also set it to turn automatically at a specific battery level. Could be 15 for me. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.